You ever walked around your car in 100-degree heat, manually opening windows, because you didn't know your key fob could do it for you? Or better yet, pulled up to a gas pump, popped the wrong side, and had to do that awkward shuffle because you missed the tiny arrow on your dash literally telling you where your fuel cap is? Yeah, these aren't just rookie mistakes. They're proof your car's hiding features you never knew existed. I've been turning wrenches and diagnosing weird issues for over 15 years now, and trust me, even seasoned drivers miss this stuff all the time. From foot-activated trunks to hidden wiper modes, and even a quiet mode that lets you kidnap while you crank the music, your car is full of secret features no one ever shows you. We're counting down from the biggest game changers to the most underrated hidden gems, and feature number 1. It's something 9 out of 10 drivers completely overlook, and it's way more useful than you'd think. So buckle up, because once you learn these, there's no going back. Hit that subscribe button and stick around. Your car's about to reveal its best-kept secrets. Feature No. 11. Fuel Gauge Arrow. You'd be amazed how many drivers miss the tiny arrow on the fuel gauge that shows which side the fuel filler cap is on. Just last week, a customer pulled into the wrong side of a gas station because they ignored that simple dashboard icon, a neat engineer-designed feature that saves time and hassle. I once saw a Ford owner confused despite the clear indicator on the dashboard cluster because they never checked the owner's manual. This secret pro tip is standard in most cars now, so next time you fill up, trust that little triangle pointing to your tank side. It's there to help. It's the kind of thing you'd never think about until you need it, and once you know, you'll use it every time. Feature No. 10. Rain Sensing Wiper Sensitivity. You'd be surprised how many drivers don't realize the rain-sensing wiper system isn't just automatic, but also adjustable. I had a customer frustrated because the rain sensor kept wiping too often, distracting them during light drizzle. A quick twist of the control ring on the wiper stalk, that little dial or knob near the lever, let us dial down the sensitivity. Suddenly, the rain-sensing windshield wipers worked perfectly, wiping only when needed. This rain-sensing wiper stalk control switch is a hidden gem for customizing your wiper speed and frequency. Whether you want to increase or decrease how often the rain sensor triggers the wipers, it's as simple as rotating the rain sensor dial or adjusting the rain sensor ring. I always tell folks, don't just leave it on default. Make the rain-sensing wiper adjustment work for your driving style. It's one of those set-it-and-forget-it features until it's not, and then it drives you nuts. Adjust it once, and you're golden. Feature No. 9. Kick-to-Open Smart Trunk. I've seen plenty of drivers amazed by the Kick-to-Open Smart Trunk feature, especially on SUVs. It's all about hands-free convenience. Just a simple foot motion near the rear bumper activates the sensor and boom, the tailgate swings open automatically. No more juggling bags or fumbling for keys. This technology is a game-changer for quick cargo access and loading. The sensor detection is so precise, it feels like the car reads your mind. What's great is how user-friendly and modern this smart access system is. Whether you want to open or close the smart tailgate, the sensor activation responds instantly to your gesture or proximity. It's a simple yet impressive innovation that adds real-world safety and ease to everyday driving. Trust me, once you experience this touchless feature, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. And once you get used to it, good luck going back to anything else. It spoils you quick. Feature No. 8. Auto Hold Braking Feature. I've seen drivers rave about the auto hold braking feature. It's a lifesaver in stop-and-go traffic. Instead of holding the brake pedal constantly, the system uses sensors to maintain brake pressure automatically, letting your foot relax. The dashboard indicators clearly show when brake hold is active, so you know exactly when the brake control is working for you. This brake assist makes hill starts and traffic jams way less stressful. Once activated, the automatic brake release kicks in smoothly when you hit the gas, adding real convenience and safety to your daily drive. Trust me, this hands-free brake system is one of those underrated gems that every driver should know about. If you've ever been stuck in rush hour with a coffee in hand, this one's your new best friend. Feature No. 7. Remote Window Roll-Down. I've seen plenty of drivers surprised by the remote window roll-down feature using just the key fob. On scorching summer days, a quick press of the button lets you ventilate the car before you even step inside. It's all about convenience and comfort, giving you remote control over the windows to cool down the vehicle fast, no sweat. What's cool is how this remote activation works from a distance, making hands-free operation a breeze. Whether you're unlocking the doors or rolling down the glass, this technology adds a layer of ease and quick access that's perfect for beating the heat. Trust me, once you use this remote ventilation trick, you'll wonder why you didn't know about it sooner. Think of it like pre-air conditioning, just from your keychain. Feature No. 6. Windshield Wiper Service Mode. I've seen plenty of dyers appreciate the windshield wiper service mode. It's a lifesaver when you want to raise the wiper arms manually without damaging the wiper blades or windshield. Just flick the manual toggle or use the wiper switch to put the wiper system in park position, making maintenance and cleaning a breeze. This user-friendly wiper operation lets you lift the blades for easy inspection, replacement, or adjustment without tools. Whether you're a mechanic or just hands-on with your ride, activating this wiper service mode with the control lever is the smart way to protect your wiper motor and keep things running smoothly. If you've ever struggled with frozen blades in winter, this one's a game changer. Feature No. 5. Delayed Headlight Shutoff. Follow Me Home Lights. I've seen drivers appreciate the delayed headlight shutoff feature, often called Follow Me Home Lights, especially when walking to their door in a dark setting. The automatic timer keeps the illumination on just long enough to light your pathway, adding a layer of safety and convenience that's easy to overlook. This clever lighting control uses sensors to detect your approach or exit, keeping the headlamps glowing for a set time delay after you lock the vehicle. It's like your car's own little welcome light, giving you extra visibility and security during those nighttime strolls. Little things like this, they make your ride feel smarter and safer too. By the way, if you're learning something new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more hidden features and real-world car tips. Quick question for you. What's the most surprising feature you found in your car by accident? Drop it down in the comments. I love seeing what other drivers discover. Feature No. 4. Adjustable ambient lighting. You'd be shocked how many folks never dig into their infotainment menus. I had a guy roll into the shop last month swearing his interior lights were busted. Turns out he just didn't realize his car had adjustable ambient lighting. We popped into the settings, hit the touchscreen, and suddenly his whole dashboard was glowing purple. He thought it was some kind of luxury upgrade. Nope, just a hidden feature waiting to be played with. Personally, I love using mine at night. Dim the brightness, flip the color to red, and boom. A stealthy, cool vibe for cruising. It's more than just mood. Proper visibility and comfort matter. These unknown, dimmable touches can really change the driving atmosphere. Makes your car feel like a spaceship. Most folks never tap into this tech, but the options are right there, built into the interface. It's one of those secret, under-the-radar features that make your ride feel totally customizable. You'd be amazed how much a little colored glow can change your whole night drive. Feature No. 3. Remote Start with Key Fob, if equipped. I had a customer last winter who thought his remote start wasn't working. Turns out he just didn't hold the fob button long enough. From inside his house, we hit it properly. Boom, engine fired up from across the parking lot. The guy looked at me like I'd performed magic. It's pure convenience, your vehicle warming up before you even leave your office, all from a little key. If it's equipped, it's like having a timer for your ignition. What folks miss is how much comfort, security, and control this functionality adds. You're not just activating the car. You're taking keyless, wireless access to the next level. Cold morning, tap the system to warm it up. Hot day, cool it down before stepping in. This basic feature feels like modern tech wizardry when used right. It's a popular, often hidden auto gem that makes even older models feel brand new. You already got the magic wand, just gotta know how to wave it. Feature No. 2. Quiet Mode/Rear Speaker Control. Had a dad bring in his SUV last week, swore the rear speakers were broken. Turns out, his kid had tapped quiet mode in the infotainment settings to help the baby sleep during a long drive. Genius move. This little-known feature cuts volume to the back of the cabin, keeps the front seats rocking while the children nap in peace. I showed him how to toggle it, and he said it's the best thing since cup holders. Honestly, for any parent, this is a game changer. You're driving the babies out cold in the car seat, and you don't want your playlist blasting them awake. Hit that control, mute the back, and suddenly you've got balance. Sweet comfort up front, silence in the back. It's built for family life. The tech lets you adjust the sound, minimize distraction, and keep everyone happy. Smart option that's all about safety, convenience, and not waking the kid again. And let's be honest, anything that keeps a sleeping baby asleep, priceless. Feature No. 1. Sun Visor Side Extension. You ever be out on the road, make a left turn and boom, the sun hits you straight in the eye? Had a buddy complaining about it in his Camry. I reached over, showed him the visor side extension, gave it a little slide to the left, and just like that, glare gone. He'd driven that car for 5 years and never knew the panel moved. It's a simple accessory, but man, it makes a big difference. That little flip-out shield is pure convenience, built-in protection against low-angle sunlight right near the blind spot. Some even flip forward to cover more of the windshield, giving you adjustable control over where the light hits. It's such a common, relatable thing. Every driver fights the angle of the sun during a commute. This hidden feature in your car's interior helps block the light, keep the cabin safe, and makes your driving experience way more comfortable. Simple, but seriously useful. One of those "why didn't I know this before" moments. Conclusion. So there you go, a handful of hidden features most folks never notice. But once you start using them, you'll wonder how you ever got by without them. These aren't just gimmicks. They're legit tools built right into your ride, designed to make driving smoother, safer, and way more comfortable. I always say the more you understand your car, the better you drive it. These little-known tricks, they separate the drivers who just commute from the ones who really know their machines. So next time you're behind the wheel, dig into those menus, test out that key fob, and pay attention to the small stuff. Your car's got more brains than you think, and if you treat it right, it'll treat you right back. If you learned something new today, hit that like button, drop your favorite hidden feature in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. I've got plenty more pro tips coming that'll make you feel like you got a mechanic riding shotgun. Stay safe, drive smart, and I'll catch you in the next one.